Yeah, it's that Sandstone Flash Beat Studio Pro. Sounds so complex, from the call to the track, no lag in the zone. I'm locked in the vibe, in a league of my own. Compatibility sound at the base of all. With that USB-C, it's pure and bold. 3 profiles deep, tailor-made to vibe. Lossless hits, feel the beat come alive. BNC on, block the world with ease. A flip to transparency, catching that breeze. Spatial audio, head track clean. 360 swirl like a movie scene. 40 hours on the go, no wires, just flow. Fast fuel, got me charged in a 10-minute blow. Calls come in, I'm crisp and clear. Voice mics cut the noise, I hear what I hear. Tap the pair, Apple or Droid, no drama, just link, I'm overjoyed. Class 1 Bluetooth, range insane, no dropouts, just beats in my brain. Controls on the side, I ain't reaching far. Siri 1 tap like a voice command star. In the box, whole kit, I'm set, carry case tight, you ain't seen nothing yet. Beats in the booth, beats on the street, Studio Pro, man, you can't compete. Style in the Sandstone, power and play, this my everyday vibe, press play and slay. Whether I'm chillin' or on that call, these cans got it all, I'm standing tall. Beat Studio Pro, now you know. Sounds so rich, it steals the show.